Well, this is how we do the Samoa UMU. All the dry woods in there, and we have to heat those stones until they become really hot. And these are the taro that's preparing. This guy is preparing to cook in there. Malo? Ah, okay, yeah. Hello. So this is how the UMU is done. Yeah. This is a Samoan traditional way of cooking. Sometimes they boil the taros, and most time they will do this. They will have to heat up the stones real hot, and once it's ready, then all the taro on the other side there. And that's one of our very popular dish. They call that palusami. We're gonna have that for lunch today, because this is for lunch. They're cooking lunch now. Yeah. And that's one of our very popular dish. We call that palusami, and it's a mixture of coconut cream. I'm gonna have a look here. He's gonna show you how it's done. And that's pure coconut cream in there. Yeah, and the taro leaves. So the taro leaves goes outside, and we put the coconut cream, and then you will taste it. It will be beautiful, beautiful.
And you put it like this inside.
Yeah.
Between the hot stone.
Yeah.
And how long does it take?
About 20 minutes, 20, half an hour. It depends on how hot the stones are, but mostly won't take more than half an hour.
Yeah. This is only coconut cream?
Yeah,
or?
so it's in there.
And
then most time we use the banana leaves, but this is a quick way to do it. And it's very delicious.
And you eat it with this. When it's ready, you eat the leaves.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Israel. Israel.
Israel?
Yeah.
Wow! All the way from Israel?
Yeah, a long way.
You believe in Jesus, since you're from there?
We're Jewish.
No, Jewish.
Huh?
Jewish.
Oh, Jewish?
Yeah, Jewish.
Don't believe in Jesus?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good. Your first time in Samoa?
Yeah.
You like it here?
Yeah,
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I think it's one of the most beautiful places.
Oh, okay. Have you been to another island or?
We're
we
going
came from Fiji.
Fiji?
Yeah.
It's nice Fiji as well. I've been there 4 times. But you find Samoa, it's just something unique about Samoa.
Yeah.
They're very friendly people, like you're part of you. They're part of your family.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the show last night?
Yeah, very
Wow.
nice. Yeah.
It was cool.
Did they?
So cool.
So they- So when you do palusami, you might need about 13, 14 of those to get enough cream for your palusami. La vali kupoponga kasi. Kau nga pa ilo ayo. So this is what we used, and then coconut in there, and then we squeeze it,
Oh.
and the cream comes out.
And
Wow.
what is the how do you call it?
It's
Sorry?
coconut, it's coconut.
String?
Yeah, that's what we call tauang. I don't know the English word for it. It's my
Wow. So it takes a lot of time to make a
yeah. About 15 or 16 of
Wow.
those coconut, and then
And you need to open it.
yeah. So look out for this palusani thing,
We will.
and we'll see you back in the
Yeah. Thank
hotel.
you.
Bye. Satu. And this guy's gonna spread all the stones. We're gonna flatten the stones so we can put the food in. I tell you, this is pretty hot. I can feel the heat from here. To get the dust off the stones before we start putting the taros and the pig in. Beautiful. Well, we're gonna have a beautiful lunch here at TAUFUA today, Sunday.
Jane said now we're free. Man, Jesus is the answer for all our problems,
Then you have the Palestinian. And you've got fish going on the top. Mm. ¿Qué sucas? Well, will take about 20-25 minutes to cover. There you go. Done with the UMU. This is part of it. It's just weaving the baskets for the food to go in.
Yummy.
We've been waiting for these guys that went to get the
This.
long view, and I don't know where they went.
Yeah, my name is Papa.
And we had a lot of fun here. Beautiful lady here from New Zealand,
Okay.
down in
Queenstown.
Queenstown.
Yeah.
I don't.
Tato. So this is what you call atto.
Atto.
Atto. Yeah. And the food will go in there.
Awesome.
In Samoa.
Very good. Good, sir. You can move it around. Just go back to. You can see it's very hot in there. You don't want to get near that.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. They're all cooked. Looks yum.
Oh, that's a
Looks yum. Can't wait to have lunch. Oh, the balsamic. Beautiful. Mga yun, awali ka na papa. Okay.
Agora, agora. Lua.
Beautiful. Look at that size too. Woo-hoo!
Okay.
You're gonna try one?
right now.
Yeah.
Oh no.
You're special.
Your little man.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
And the taro.
Shit.
You're gonna have. All right, Papa. Saya semela lu aku mi mai ada Papa lu mau pun pakai ya. Tastes good, eh? So can you tell everybody out there what it tastes like? Beautiful, you like it?
It's creamy, kind of. This one. Leafy, like spinach.
Wonderful.
Like a New Zealand Spanish.
I don't know.
So that's